Hello there, beautiful people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. It's been a while. I miss you guys so much. Thanks so much for tuning in. In today's video, I share with you Ghanaian assorted smoked fish green soup, also called Ebunabunu Nkwan. Let's get right into it. I'll bring to a boil onion, garden eggs, habanero pepper, turkey berries. I'll add water, cover it, and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes or until vegetables are tender. I'll then remove from flame, allow it to cool before blending. To my soup pot, I'll add in my smoked catfish, dry herring, salted fish, Aiden fruit, some chopped onion. I'll add in some hot water, cover it and allow it to steam for about 5 to 7 minutes. Whilst that is steaming, I'll go on to blend my vegetables. I'll add ginger and garlic and then I'll blend till it is smooth, and there we have it. I'll then strain my blended vegetables into the soup pot. I'll use my silicone spoon to help with the straining process. I'll add in some water to extract more of the goodness out of the vegetables. I'll discard the chaffs, add more water to my soup. I'll allow it to boil for about 10 minutes, and then I'll add in my smoked tilapia, my crabs. I'll allow the soup to boil for another 10 to 15 minutes. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for always supporting and watching my videos. God bless you. I also want to thank my fellow YouTube friends that calls or send messages to check up on me. God bless you all so much. I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you all so much. I miss you all so very much. I added in my snails, my mushrooms, some baked fish, more habanero pepper for extra heat, and then I added in my shrimp seasoning. You can use any seasoning of choice. You can also omit it. I'll allow the soup to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. At this point in time, I'll go ahead to cook my spinach. I'm using fresh spinach for this recipe. I allowed it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes and then removed it from flame, blended it, and added it to my soup. I'll give my soup a good stir and then I'll add in my baked salmon. You can use any type of salmon for this recipe or any type of fish or smoked fish for this recipe. I added in salt to taste and then will allow the soup to boil for about 5 to 7 minutes and the soup is ready to be served. This soup is so delicious and very healthy to enjoy. We pair this with fufu. You can pair this with any starch of choice or you can enjoy it as it is. I have good news for you guys. To the glory of God, I have given birth to twins, guys, a boy and a girl, and they're doing so well. I miss you guys so much. I hope you enjoy your Easter in grace, and may the resurrection of Jesus Christ be a blessing unto all of us. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Have a wonderful Easter. Bye, guys.